Apple warns Amazon about sexually explicit Kindle content accessible to children. Both Apple and Alphabet have asked Amazon to improve content moderation for its Kindle app after it found that children could use the app to access explicit images, reports Reuters. Oh my God, it's a disaster. You can't be leaving your kids alone with any of this stuff. Okay, I know parents do it. Parents are like, I'm busy, I gotta get some stuff done. I just give him the thing, and I give him the thing, and he uses the thing, and I don't know what's going on. And you're like, well, you kind of do, because I'm telling you right now that anything goes on. Yeah, plus, you should get your life on track, because you can barely get a word out. These devices go anywhere. They do anything. And you think because you got some certain title on it, let me tell you something. Go ahead with your YouTube kids content and just keep finishing videos and see where you end up. Just keep finishing. Let your youngster, you can do a little observation and see where you end up. Oh, the algorithms are babysitting. Yeah, okay. Good luck with all that. So parents, you got your work cut out. And in this case, I guess Amazon has their work cut out because both Google and Apple are saying, hey, the hell, get it together. We need more moderation here. And I think their inventory isn't that enormous. I mean, it is enormous, but compared to all the content uploaded ever on user-generated sites, you feel like they could put the... Yeah, so look, somebody says kids are raised by the algorithm. You're damn right. You see what I'm saying? So let me get this straight. Kids that are raised by the algorithm are supposed to care that artists are no longer recording their own music. Okay, cool. Yeah, that makes sense. Algorithm listens to algorithm. Got it? This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.